Oh no, I got a hole in this mitt. What should I do?
I'll repair it right now, and you're watching Creative Redundancy, the one known as CR.
Here's a little background information about this mitt here. So I've had this mitt for about 3 to 4 years now. I've had it for so long, I've used it in the wintertime so many times. I started to blow a hole through it, as you get to see. And it just needed some TLC, some loving back in it again. That way, it gets used more and doesn't end up as landfill or get reused as stuffing or for scrap material yet.
Inverted inside out.
So I'm using some yarn here that I reclaimed from something else, which I just can't remember right now. So basically what I'm doing here is making a grid with this yarn. And basically what I'm doing is going under, over, and repeating it and making parallel lines along the way. Then afterwards, I make perpendicular lines to those parallel lines and going over, under, and connecting it just like a grid. Similar to if you were crocheting or knitting or something like that, you go over, under, and all this other stuff. And basically just keep going with it, making sure that I don't snag the line and all that good stuff. And just putting some tension on the line when needed. And just keep going with it on and on.
Keep making progress.
Getting closer.
Now I'm working on the fun part of this mitten. You can do this too. As our world changes, we can adapt too. Skill and knowledge get better with practice. Can't help everyone, but one can help someone.